Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here is my first Christmas look of 2020. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you would like to do a makeup theme collaboration with me, leave it in the comments, or you can message me directly. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. There will not be a full voiceover in this video. I will hold up all products used and everything will be in my description box. And I appreciate all the love and support, and thank you for watching. Hope you and stay safe out there, and happy holidays. Okay, now I'm just gonna wrap my hair and comb it out and part it, and that will complete today's look. And I think the sweater really makes it look Christmassy. And I will be posting more Christmas looks, don't worry. I will try to do at least 2 or 2 a week if I can, or 1 a week depending on my moods and if I have time to do so.